Thousands of people are trying to leave Dhaka, as Bangladesh's capital is set to enter a total lockdown on Monday. People made a mad dash towards the rural areas ahead of the lockdown. Bangladesh has announced stricter norms in the wake of the rising Delta variant cases. All government and private institutions will remain shut for a week, starting from July the 28th. Health Department spokesman said that people are disallowed to venture out except in case of an emergency. Border security guards will oversee the lockdown. Even the army is on standby to ensure the measures are adhered to. Bangladesh has seen a steep rise in infections since mid-May. As per the latest data, Bangladesh has seen a daily rise of 6,000 cases, 108 deaths. This is the highest toll in the number of fresh cases and deaths in the country. Officials say that cases in districts along the India-Bangladesh border are on an all-time high. Healthcare system is reeling under immense pressure in the cities of Khulna and Rajshahi. Authorities said or called the situation catastrophic. Meanwhile, India has seen a decline in the daily number of new cases. Well, for more on this, our correspondent Lakmina Jasmine Soma has sent us this report. Let's listen in.
This is not the first time people have returned home with such a risk. Even before this, whenever the government has announced a strict lockdown, people have left the capital with such risks. This may lead to further increase of COVID-19 infection. The main reason behind such mismanagement is the lack of coordination among the concerned departments of the government. For example, it has been decided to keep the garments open even though public transport is closed. The government has instructed garment owners to have their own transportation system. However, not all garment owners implement it. As a result, no one still knows how millions of garment workers will go to their work amid lockdown. The biggest crisis that may arise is the crisis of livelihood. You know, the number of people, floating people in Dhaka is more than 500,000. Most of them are daily laborers and live in slums. The government doesn't yet know how they will make a living. According to a private survey last April, 24.5 million people have become poor in the country due to COVID-19 crisis.